Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of Slurp's Fresh Noodle Fridays. Today we're making something super simple and easy that I used to love eating all the time, haven't had in a long time. I'm making a classic wonton noodle soup. So if you've ever had wonton noodle soup, you'll know you'll have these big chunks of wonton, usually pork and shrimp, a bit of bok choy, maybe some green onions, and of course, wonderful noodles. I can't find the exact noodle that I want that's more like Hong Kong style, that's super thin. I cannot find it anywhere in my Asian grocery store. If anyone knows, please let me know. But the broth comes together super quickly. I didn't even use homemade wontons. I just went ahead and got frozen. So honestly, this can be made in like 20 minutes. Super, super quick. Without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. We've got our lovely ingredients here. Let's start off with the scallions. We have some frozen wontons here, 2 dry shiitake mushrooms, garlic, some egg noodles, and we've got our bok choy, ginger, Shaoxing wine, soy sauce, and fish sauce. Begin by crushing 2 cloves of garlic, and then also going ahead and chopping our 2 scallions, just like so, into 1-inch segments. We're going to start peeling our ginger and just slicing them off like so. Add them into 5 cups of chicken broth and adding all of the ingredients there, including the mushrooms. In a separate pot, we're going to go ahead and cook our noodles here, just according to package directions, and then draining and rinsing it. In the meantime, while our soup and our broth is coming to a boil, segment and quarter those bok choys, and then we're going to go ahead, after 10 minutes, we're going to skim out all of those solids, and then add in our wontons, cook that for 10 minutes, and then add in our bok choy. Lastly, fish sauce, soy sauce, and Shaoxing wine to taste. And that's pretty much it. That is all the dish is. It's super simple. Get your noodles, get a bit of some bok choy in there, obviously loaded up with all those delicious wontons. I'm using pork and shrimp, which is classic, and dig in. Yum! If you like this video, don't forget to like, rate, and subscribe in the link down below, and don't forget to hit that notification bell just at the top right hand corner so you don't miss any new videos that are coming out. We'll see everyone next week. Bye!